Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on people you might know on your account on TikTok on notification settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, click notifications, and here you will find people you might know. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on people you might know on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.